Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the first snow day this winter. Snowed about a foot last night, and everything shut down except this pathway, which we're going to hike on. And look at how beautiful it is, hey? Look at that. Gorgeous. So we're gonna have a snow day video today. I'm not sure what we're doing. We're gonna go for a little hike, and then I got some things to do, running around. But I just want to show you how beautiful it is right now.
Look up there.
And Rebecca's work is closed today, so she was very excited. We almost need snowshoes, hey baby? Here, come here. Pull this tree. Shake this tree a little bit. Yeah. Hey!
Online it said we had 20 centimeters.
20 centimeters?
Yeah, in Victoria. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, then that's about a foot. Oh, heads up, heads up! Heads up! It's snowing! Oh, you got it everywhere.
I know, it got all over me.
Be very careful of the trees. Are you gonna stand right there? Watch out, watch out! How many kids today do you think are making their first snowman? Or having their first snow sled or toboggan ride? Because it's snow day for them too. This is about to give any second. You want to get me back?
No, I'm a nice person.
I'll show you guys how bad the road is. It's not too bad. Yeah. Do you want to pretend to be a news reporter?
So we're here, thank you. We're here in Victoria, BC, where the biggest snowfall of 2019 has just hit. We haven't seen centimeters like this since 1941, supposedly, according to someone's random Twitter account. But as you can see, road conditions are horrible. Down to one lane, those brave commuters out in the sun.
No, I was gonna keep going.
It's a little scary out here.
Rebecca Vale signing off.
Rebecca Vale signing off. CBC News, Victoria.
This is deep right here.
It is, and it's snowing again.
This is good snow. This is like that nice, damp, kind of thick snow you can make. Hey, we should make snowmen. Yeah, have a snowman making competition.
Well, I'm obviously.
Or
no.
a snowball fight.
No.
Get out of here. Get out of here. Yeah, you run away. The thing that we do have to watch is, if you guys can see behind me, you see those branches? They're so weighed down by snow that when it snows like this, it's that wet snow, it falls on the leaves, prone to snap big branches off. And I actually got kicked out of one of the campsites I was at just down the road because of this exact reason last winter. Because they were scared that branches were gonna fall,
Right.
trees were gonna fall.
Is that bullshit?
Yeah, yeah. So when you walk under this tree, babe, watch out.
Okay.
Run! Hey, how about this? How about this? Would you rather this or tropical weather?
Oh, tropical.
Tropical? Okay.
Yeah. I like snow once in a while.
Right,
I think it's really beautiful. But I love the heat.
right. For me, I really like when it's not raining, but it's kind of cloudy here. Like being on the water and no one else is around because it's kind of like an overcast day. And say it just rained the night before and everything smells so fresh. I love that. But around water, when it's super sunny out, everyone's doing the summer things, like the lake things. But when it's kind of overcast, when it's rainy, no one's really doing anything. But when it's overcast with just a light sprinkle, you kind of get that in between where no one's doing it, but it's nice enough to go and do it just by yourself. I think that is why that is the perfect day.
But you get up really early, like right when the sun is rising.
Yeah.
So no one else is up yet. So you have the whole world to yourself, but it's still,
And it's nice.
yeah, it's a beautiful day.
Gotcha.
That's
I can respect that. In the comment section, what's your perfect day? I want to hear it. And where is your perfect day? There's usually, this is a parking lot, there's usually cars everywhere down here, but nobody. You got the whole lake. Oh, the lake looks like it's kind of frozen. You should go test it out, jump on it. Try to walk across.
when I was a kid.
What's your favorite day?
When I was a kid, if my sister's watching this, we had a pond near our house, and one winter we were playing around on it, and I was like, it's pretty sturdy, and I stood on it, and I felt like I was near the edge, so I grabbed on, but I fell into like probably like a waist height in the water, and it was freaking freezing.
Oh no.
And my sister had to help me get out.
Oh
And
no.
she still makes fun of me to this day.
Oh no.
Yep.
Do you want to say anything to your sister if she's watching this? Words. If you guys can see that, he's cross-country skiing, and as he passed I was like, oh, you get to enjoy that once every year. He's like, yep, pretty much, that's it. You never see that.
That's so funny. I would have never thought. I mean, obviously, of course you can cross-country ski where it's snowy, but I just, in Victoria, that's just so...
I never thought anyone would even have those skis waiting for that day, right? Yeah. So this is called Thetis Lake, guys. It looks like it's not really frozen over. It's more of just kind of a slush.
Okay. Oh. Are you okay, honey? Did you get it good?
At least I didn't get any snow on me.
Oh yeah, none at all.
I got it good.
Oh.
Are you cold?
Yeah.
Do you want some hot chocolate?
Yeah.
Let's go have some hot chocolate.
Okay.
The perfect way to end a hike in the snow. It's cold out there. It's cold out there. I want to share something with you guys. I love watching YouTube videos of other people, and I just found this guy, and I've got to give him some credit here. His name is Trent Palmer, and I just, within the last 3 hours, became obsessed with his videos. He's basically a guy who flies these bush planes. See that plane right there? That's his plane. He flies these to remote areas and just enjoys the adventure of landing pretty much anywhere he wants. And I'm becoming quite fascinated with his channel. So if you guys are interested in planes, I know that you're interested in camping, but this is like the ultimate camping. I mean, fly to places no one else can get to. It's amazing. So go check this guy out if you feel like it, Trent Palmer, and leave a comment in the comment section below saying that Taylor Desmond sent you there, and maybe he'll take me out for a plane ride. How neat would that be? How do you like the new mugs?
I love them. I love the size.
They actually really are nice.
Yeah.
I like them a lot.
I love how they're like a little bit taller than your average mug.
Yeah.
See? I don't know if you can tell.
And they super rustic.
And you can microwave them.
And they're matching. Didn't even plan it, but they're matching. Wanna come with me?
I'm cozy.
Okay. Bye.
Are you gonna drive safe?
No.
What? Why?
We're going to go see if the truck camper can drift in the snow without flipping.
No.
Yeah?
No.
Yes. So the question is, would I recommend buying a truck with four-wheel drive? Hands down, 100%. Yes, it's a bit more money, but the one time you need it a year, it's definitely worth it. It's very difficult to get this fitting right now because everywhere is closed due to weather. All right, so I'm having a tough time getting the right part, but I'll probably get it tomorrow. I'll go to like an RV dealership or something that's open tomorrow. But basically what I'm trying to do, and I'm gonna show you guys in tomorrow's video, I'm trying to get a connection to connect to this quick connect and to run, this is my propane line. I fed it up through, I'll show you another video, or tomorrow's video. I wanna get it to connect here, and I wanna hook my buddy heater up when I'm using my buddy heater to this. So I don't use those little propane bottles. And then I don't have to get a little propane, like a refillable propane bottle in here. I can just run it right off my two 30-pound propane tanks. So that is what I'm looking for. And I'm looking for the safest way to do that. So I better go talk to an RV person. And then tomorrow's video will probably be testing my buddy heater and my furnace. And what I wanna do is I wanna see how much propane the buddy heater burns versus the furnace. And so we'll probably do like a 5-hour test on each. I'll have my furnace running the whole time, and then I'll switch over tanks and have my buddy heater running the whole time, and just to see. I mean, I can't really go camping right now because all of the logging roads, I would definitely get stuck. I actually almost got stuck coming to this parking lot. But that's tomorrow's video, guys. Also, we gotta cook chili. I've got a bunch of ingredients for chili. I wanna do an RV cooking show. And so chili will be on the way as well. Keep living that dream, my friends. I'll see you tomorrow in the test video. Have an awesome night. Until next time, bye-bye.